In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Pakistan on Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country selection at the top of the page or app. This part is important because Remitly uses the destination country to show you the correct transfer options, delivery methods, and receiving details. Click on the country at the top and select Pakistan. After choosing Pakistan, go ahead and click Send Money. This will take you to the Transfer Setup section, where you can begin entering the details for your transaction. Take a moment here to review the transfer screen carefully, since this is where you'll confirm who the money is going to and how it will be delivered. If the recipient's contact is already saved in your account, you can simply click on that saved contact to continue. This is the quickest option and can save time if you've sent money to this person before. If the contact is not saved yet, click New Contact and then select their country. Make sure the country is set correctly so the transfer details match the recipient's location and the available payout options in Pakistan. Next, choose the delivery method. Depending on what Remitly offers for Pakistan, this may include options like bank deposit or other available ways to receive the funds. Select the option that works best for the recipient. After that, choose your payment method. This is how you'll pay for the transfer, so select the method that is most convenient for you and make sure the payment information linked to your account is ready to use. Once those choices are made, click Continue. You'll then need to enter the recipient's account details. Be very careful during this step, because even a small mistake in the account information can delay the transfer or send it to the wrong place. It's always a good idea to double-check the name, account number, and any other requested details before moving forward. From there, just follow the prompts on your screen to complete the transfer. Remitly will guide you through the remaining steps, including reviewing the amount, checking any fees or exchange rates, and confirming the transaction before it is sent. Take your time, review everything carefully, and make sure all details are correct before submitting. That's how to send money to Pakistan on Remitly.